Hey everyone, welcome back to Babu Tech, your go-to channel for all things tech, AI, and ways to level up your life. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the top 10 AI websites that can actually make you rich without needing any investment upfront. That's right, no cash required to get started. These are free tools or platforms with free tiers that you can use right now to generate income through freelancing, content creation, selling digital products, or other smart side hustles. I'll walk you through each one, explain how they work, and share practical tips on turning them into a money-making machine. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to potentially earn thousands per month. Let's jump right in. First up on our list is ChatGPT from OpenAI. ChatGPT is essentially an advanced language model that can generate text, answer questions, and even code snippets based on your prompts. Start by practicing prompts like write a 1,000-word article on sustainable living and refine the output to make it sound human. Many people earn $500 to $2,000 a month this way by building a portfolio of samples generated quickly with ChatGPT. Another angle is creating and selling ebooks on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Use the AI to outline and draft content on hot topics like fitness or personal finance. Then edit it yourself. The key is to combine AI efficiency with your unique voice to avoid detection issues. Pro tip: join freelance communities on Reddit to find gigs, and always disclose if AI was used to build trust with clients. Next, we've got Canva AI, available right on canva.com. Canva is a drag-and-drop design platform with built-in AI features like Magic Studio, which lets you generate images, remove backgrounds, and even suggest layouts all for free in the basic version. No investment means you can start designing immediately. To turn this into cash, offer graphic design services for social media graphics, logos, or flyers. Businesses always need eye-catching visuals, so list your services on freelance sites and use Canva's AI to speed up the process. For instance, type in create a vibrant poster for a coffee shop promotion and tweak the results. You could also create print-on-demand products like t-shirts or mugs with AI-generated designs, and sell them on sites like Redbubble or Teespring without buying inventory upfront. Earnings can range from $300 to $1,500 monthly once you get a few repeat clients. Remember, the magic is in customization. Use Canva's templates as a base and add your flair to stand out. If you're new, watch Canva's free tutorials to master the AI tools in under an hour. Moving on to DALL-E, which you can access for free through ChatGPT or directly via OpenAI's Playground. This AI specializes in generating stunning images from text descriptions, like a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars. It's perfect for visual creators without artistic skills. You don't need to invest in software. Just describe what you want, download the image, and upload it for sale. Freelancers use it for book covers or website banners, charging $50 to $200 per project. One popular hustle is creating custom avatars or memes for social media influencers. Potential earnings: up to $2,000 a month if you niche down, like focusing on fantasy art for gamers. Be ethical, watermark your samples, and ensure originality to avoid copyright headaches. Experiment with prompts to get high-quality outputs, and share your creations on Instagram to build a following that leads to paid commissions. Our fourth pick is Grammarly AI, found at grammarly.com. The free version offers powerful writing assistance, including grammar checks, style suggestions, and even tone adjustments powered by AI. It's a must-have for anyone dealing with words. Without any cost, you can provide proofreading and editing services to authors, students, or businesses. Paste client text into Grammarly. Let it suggest improvements and deliver polished work. People have reported making $800 to $1,000 monthly part-time. To make money. Offer copywriting services to e-commerce stores or startups needing persuasive text for their websites. You can also create and sell pre-made copy templates on Gumroad. Earnings potential is solid $500 to $1,500 per month for consistent freelancers. Now, let's talk about Descript, available at Descript.com with a free tier that includes AI-powered editing. This tool transcribes audio, removes filler words, and even clones your voice for overdubs, all without expensive software. It's ideal for podcasters or video creators. To earn, offer audio editing services for podcasts on Upwork. Upload client files, let Descript handle the heavy lifting, and charge $50 to $300 per episode. You can also start your own faceless YouTube channel, using Descript's AI to edit narration over stock footage, and monetize through ads or sponsorships once you hit 1,000 subscribers. No investment means relying on free stock libraries. Monthly income can reach $1,000 to $3,000 for dedicated users. Tip: practice with your own recordings to get fast, and promote your services on podcast forums. 6th is Bubble.io, a no-code platform with a free plan for building apps and websites. Bubble uses AI-assisted elements like data integration suggestions, without coding knowledge or costs. You can create simple tools like custom calculators or booking systems. Monetize by freelancing app development for small businesses, build MVPs quickly, and charge $500 to $2,000 per project via freelance sites. Sell your apps on marketplaces or offer subscription-based tools you host on Bubble's free tier. Focus on niches like event planning apps. Learn through Bubble's free academy and test prototypes to ensure they work smoothly. 7th, Notion AI at Notion.so. The free personal plan includes AI for summarizing notes, generating ideas, and organizing data. Use it to create productivity templates like planners or databases and sell them on Etsy or your own site. Potential: for $100 to $1,000 to $100 per month. Tip: share free templates on social media to attract buyers. 8th is FlexClip.com, a free online video editor with AI features like auto subtitles and scene suggestions. Create short videos for social media without downloading software. Charge $30 to $150 per video. Income: up to $1,500 monthly. Use free stock assets to keep it zero cost. 9th, DeepL.com for AI translation. The free version handles accurate translations across languages. Offer translation services on freelance platforms for websites or documents, combining AI with quick reviews. Rates: 5 cents to 20 cents per word, leading to $800 plus monthly. Niche in business or legal translations. Finally, our 10th is TubeBuddy.com, with a free AI-powered version for YouTube optimization. It suggests titles, tags, and thumbnails. Use it to grow your channel without ads, then monetize through YouTube Partner Program, or offer channel management services. Earnings: $500 to $5,000 once monetized. Wrapping this up, these 10 AI websites checked: Canva AI, Dolly, Grammarly, Copy AI, Descript, Bubble, Notion AI, FlexClip, DeepL, and TubeBuddy prove you don't need money to make money in the AI era. Start with one, build skills, and scale. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe to Babu Tech, and comment which tool you'll try first. See you next time.